Hey guys, so we're going to look at the worksheet that talks about determining slope whenever it passes through two different points on your coordinate grid. So there are two examples that they walk you through on this particular worksheet, and we're going to focus on number 2. So one thing that I want to draw your attention to, guys, is that whenever you're looking at your 2 points, you want to always put them in ABC order. So like in this particular example, we'll do C as our number 1 X and Y, and then we'll use the point D for our 2 X and Y. Okay, so let's look at this a little bit. I want to remind you, when we were talking about doing slope in school, we always refer to this little jewel right here, rise over run. Rise always refers to your y coordinates, and then the run always refers to your x coordinates. So let's look at these 2 points a little bit further. So we have C, the point is 1, 4, and then D, the coordinate is 3, -2. So if we look at this, our X always comes first, remember, alphabetical order. And then our Y is the next coordinate. And the same thing for point D. The 3 would refer to your X coordinate, and the -2 refers to your Y coordinate. Now looking a little bit further into this, you notice how it has the 2 and the 1, the 2 and the 1 for your X and your Y. Because it's in alphabetical order, we know that C always comes first. So our 1 would be our X1, 4 is going to be our Y1. And then for point D, 3 is going to be our X1, and then -2 is going to be our Y1. Oh wait, sorry, my bad. Those are our 2's. Excuse me, guys. All right, so now we can look back at our formula and let's go ahead and plug this in, okay? So for y2, we're going to use -2. And it's -2 minus y1. And our y1 is 4. And then we're going to do our x's. So x2 will be 3 minus x1, which is 1. So let's go ahead and do the math here. So -2 minus 4 equals -6. Then 3 minus 1 gives us 2. If we finish this out, we come up with -6 divided by 2 gives us a -3. And that will be our slope. And looking back over here in our graph, we can definitely tell that we have a negative slope because it's moving in a downward position to the right. Our information is going down instead of going up. So this is how you do slope whenever it passes through 2 different points. Now on the bottom, they're going to give you just the points like this. Okay, so I'll run through it with you one more time without the graph. So we have C is 1 and 4, and then point D is 3 and -2. Knowing again that this is my X and this is my Y coordinate, this is my X and this is my Y coordinate. These are all of my 1 values and these are my 2 values, okay? Some of you may remember this. We would draw a little line from this one to this one saying -2 minus 4, which kind of repeats what we've already done up here when we actually use the formula. And continuing that, 3 minus 1. And that gives us the exact same thing. So -2 minus 4 gives us -6. 3 minus 1 gives us 2. And again, we come up with the slope of -3. I hope this helps. Let me know if you need some more instruction.